Meron tayo ngayong doctor's appointment ni baby, ultrasound ko ngayon. So, yun yung pinaka-paborito kong appointment, ultrasound, kasi nakikita ko yung baby na gumagalaw, sumisipa, gano'n. Yun, sobrang excited. We just got home for my ultrasound appointment. Today is my old baby's ultrasound appointment. It was good. She's good. I love an ultrasound appointment. It feels like exciting. You can see the baby kicking, moving around in your belly, inside your belly. So that's amazing. Done with my doctor's appointment today, and I don't feel I'm having my 2 days off. Today is my off. I have a doctor's appointment, and tomorrow I do have a dentist appointment tomorrow. I think around 11 o'clock in the morning, so I'm busy. That's why I don't feel like I'm having 2 days off, but it's okay. Like, just like maybe, let's see, an dentist appointment is around like maybe an hour. I don't know, less than an hour, but it's still like I have to get up early, get ready, shower, and eat my breakfast, and then go to my dentist appointment. So yeah, that's why I said that I don't feel I'm having 2 days off this weekend. I'm so busy. I'm such a busy day. Like every week, every 2 weeks, I have a doctor's appointment for the baby. So yeah, really busy, and then at the same time working. Very busy girl. I'm 25 weeks and 2 days today, so it's getting more excited, and yeah, that's my baby's pictures we got today for my ultrasound. Oh my god, this is so cute. And after the, what do you call it, my doctor's appointment, when I got home, after I eat my lunch, I'm get tired and sleepy, and I want to take a nap right now. And I got a picture frame from Walmart. What size is this? 8 by 10. And then you can also use 11 by 14 or 8 by 10. This is what look like the picture frame. I like the one that they have like white design on the like different corners, and about 5 of these. I'm planning to like buy a cute art to put in this picture frame. And also I already put some of my pictures. That's cute. I'm gonna put it by the stairs in the wall, and also that one too. I like that one, so cute. I put Dan on it. She doesn't like the pictures at all, but anyways, that cute picture frame, 8 by 11. You're wondering, guys, where did I print my photos? I printed at Walmart. They're like, I don't know how, well, it depends what size you're printing. And actually I print a bunch of pictures, size 8 by 11. This is really cute. Yeah, so yeah, I printed a Walmart. They have different sizes. If you wanna print some pictures that you want, that you can pick size whatever you want. So yeah, I print a bunch of pictures. I don't know where you're gonna put it, but all of these are size 8 by 11. So yeah, super cute. Finally, because it's been a long time that I wanted to print some pictures, but I couldn't do it. I'm so lazy. So that's done, flying in the backyard. This one too, just for fun, the fall leaf color. So I accidentally print 2 of these, but yeah, I printed Walmart. And And my back is hurt all the time, especially when I'm working. Oh, my back is killing me. But anyways, it's part of pregnancy that make your back hurt. My back is crampy all the time, super crampy. Hi guys, I'm back. So I took a nap. When I got home, I feel tired and sleepy, so I took a nap. I just woke up and finally I decided to continue my vlog that I did earlier. I decided to film here upstairs because Dan is playing games. So yeah, a couple days ago I ordered another band for my smart watch and I'm so happy about it, and I decided to order another extra one, just for fun. The first that I got is like a rose gold band. This is what it looks like. It's so cute. I love how I put it on to my smartwatch and it looks really nice. And also the, what do you call this, screen protector, it's rose gold as well, so that it match together when I want to change my band for my smartwatch. And the second that I ordered is this one, the silver one. I love this too. If I want to match it to my rings or my earrings, I can use the silver one, or I can use the rose gold. Actually, it's not bad at all. It's not expensive at all. So I got it in Amazon, like the band, kind of like, I think I remember it's $12 for the band, and the screen protector is like less than $10, so it's not too bad, and it's really cute when I put it on to my smartwatch. And yeah, I'm so happy about it. That's why I ordered another pair of silver. So this is what it looks like, the silver, guys. I already put it onto my Fitbit Versa 3, and then already resized it as well. So if I want to change my band, I can change it with rose gold. So I got silver and rose gold, and yeah, I'm so happy. It's really cute. It turns out really cute, and also it's not expensive at all, so why not? So I ordered silver stainless steel. This is stainless steel, and the other one is rose gold. So cute. I love it. It's not too bad at all. So I'm planning to order planning to order a gold as well, so that it can match my whatever jewelry I have. I'm excited, but right now I'm not I'm not looking for it, but maybe next time. So this is the silver one. It's cute, super cute smartwatch band, really cute. I love how I can change my band to whatever I want, like a silicone one, a plastic one, or something like this, rose gold. I like playing with it. I'm excited to pair it all the like jewelries I'm wearing. But yeah, it's so cute. It's cheap, and they have different option in Amazon that you can pick whatever band you want. So tomorrow is another busy day for me. I mentioned it already earlier. I got dentist appointment tomorrow at 11 a.m. so I have to get up early, get ready, shower, eat my breakfast, and head to the dentist. Alright everyone, that's it for today's vlog. Nothing much going on, just a busy days off. I don't feel like I'm having 2 days off today. Even the appointment, the ultrasound appointments, it's not bad at all. It only took like 30 minutes to do an ultrasound. The baby is fine. She's good. She's moving a lot now. She's kicking a lot me now. Excited every time she moves. She kicked me like really hard and makes me happy, and I miss that every day that she kicked me all the time. We cannot wait to meet her. And yeah, alright everyone, that's it for today's video. I just wanna update. Maybe I can do it more often, like you know, random videos. Let me know in the comment down below if you like this kind of random videos. Any kind of videos, because I normally do like sit down video, like unboxing or a product review or something like that. If you like this kind of video, just like random videos, let me know in the comment down below, so that we can do more of these random videos. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.